Hello, today you're looking at a JP Tech 4000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. It is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. Weighs roughly 970 pounds. Overall dimensions, 32 inches long by 39 inches wide by 45 inches high. It is a remote controlled unit. We'll take a look at the remote here and we'll turn it on so you can see and hear it go. Very quiet unit. Take a look at the oscilloscope wave here. If you can't live without this rectifier, please call us 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.